In this video, we are showing you an advanced way of getting out of the shadow position that will make sure that you stand out at your next social party. So let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when it's like this, you're the one I trust. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road.
Okay guys, so for this one, we start in the shadow position. Now, if you don't know how to get into the shadow position, make sure to check out this video over here. So, we start in the shadow position and we are tapping. Let's say we're tapping on 4. Now, for us, the leaders, we have the lady normally here down. We're not having her over here because we want to keep doing our basic step. But now we're going diagonally back. So, on 5, we go diagonally back on 5 and rotate our body diagonally as well. Now, on 6, we close and come back in looking to this direction. On 7, we now go forward diagonally to the right, forward, and here we start breathing in 7. Now on 8, we start rotating the lady and up, of course, we are here up, 8 and 1. So we are here normally in 5, 6, breathe and release. And we both end up sitting. So for the ladies, it's very important that you keep very good connection with the leader. That means that you have here tension and you don't have this. And also, this part of your arm is extremely helpful and important in the shadow position. And for both of us, also as a tip, do small steps. We don't want to be flying because as well, we're gonna feel like we don't have a lot of time. And it's possible that the lady loses her balance if we do very big steps. So again, in 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And here we do a small pause in 1 and 2. And now with this arm, we have the lady with her weight on her left leg. So now we can do a turn in 3, 4. So for us, there's not much to do with our body in this case, just the leading of the turn. And at the end, this arm, you bring her to her upper back.
For the follower, it's very important that you keep a lot of tension in the rotation. So when we go back and back, that you really wait for his impulse and not just want to close by yourself or something, but that you wait for the tension to create a lot and then you have the release. So keep your right leg as long as you can in the back and then you close. And
also wait as well for the leader to guide you maybe from here something else besides a turn. But in this case, we do the turn here in 3, 4. And now just to change the time from here, with this contact that we have, we do a wave in 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in this case, the men there, we're doing kind of like a side wave, and the followers are doing a normal body wave. And I'm pretty sure you already know how to do a body wave and a side wave, but if you don't know, make sure to check out these videos over here. And guys, when we finish the body wave, we do not sit. This means that we are here in 5, 6, 7, and we tap to go again into the basic. So let's do it with counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. And from this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also comment down below which of these moves was your favorite. If you like this video, you're going to love these other combinations and moves. We hope to see you the next time. Bye.